R2-D2, Your Highness.
Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is Steve. I am back with another installment of the Star Wars Build Your Own R2-D2 by Fan Home. You can only purchase this right now from Fan Home. I did get my copy of this from Model Space D'Agostini. So this is issue 69. So I continue to assemble the bottom ring frame. And let's go ahead and look at the instructions here real quick. Here they are. Let's get a closer view. And here's the body frame parts I received. And we continue with that body frame that we started in a previous stage. And the next issue is issue 70. This is the beginning of box or pack 18. Let's look at the parts. And here's the parts for issue 69. And here's the parts. They are all marked. They're all metal. And we'll have to get the screws that we saved, as no screws came with this issue. Let's get started. This part right here, you can see it's marked number 2 on it, BF21. We don't do anything with that, so I'm going to put that aside. And we're just simply going to put these two parts together like a puzzle, just like that. But it's going to go down on top of this bracket, and we have 2x4mm silver screws. 2 go into that. Before I tighten these down, I'll go ahead and put some Loctite on these. And tighten them down. Take a cotton bud, wipe off the excess. There you go. Let that dry. Let's look at the articles that are in issue 69. So for building the Galaxy, we have Galaxy Moves On, and this is the animated series here, Star Wars droids and Ewoks. Behind the Magic, it's still in the game. West End Games, BX Series, Commando Droid, Doctoid Combat Automata. I probably screwed that up. Continuing there, the droid directory, and telepresence and video conference robots. Robots surround us everywhere, pretty much. And that's it. And that completes stage 69. Not very much to do here, but I'm sure we're going to get a lot more to do in the future. So stay tuned for stage 70. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Remember, you can only get this from Fan Home. Happy modeling, everybody. Take care.